Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Dimitrios Tsabas. Tonight, there will be data release from United States, existing home sales, and natural gas storage. Considering the EMA's positions, which still in a death cross configuration, the EMA 50 is below the EMA 200, and the RSI indicator remains in a neutral bearish zone. Gold has the potential to extend its decline today. If gold breaks down and closes below 4087.50, it may continue its decline toward 4014.19. If 4014.19 is breached and closes below, gold could try to test the 3930.72 level. The downside bias is invalidated if the price successfully breaks and closes above 4244.28. Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents. You could plan to buy the pound today at the entry zone around 1.3349, the green line, targeting a rise toward 1.3383. Once the pair reaches the 1.3383 area, you could close long positions and consider opening shorts in anticipation of reversal, targeting a 30-35 pip counter move. A long trade today should only be considered in case of strong, supportive economic data. Before buying, confirm that the MACD indicator is above the zero mark and just beginning to rise from it. You could also to buy the pound if there are two consecutive price tests of 1.3327, when the MACD in the oversold zone. This scenario will limit downside potential and likely trigger an upward reversal. Targets in this case are 1.3349 and 3383. You could plan to sell the pound in the pair breaks below 1.3327, which could lead to a quick decline. The first target for sellers will be 1.3292, where you could close the short positions and consider buying on a reversal, aiming for a 20-25 pip bounce in the opposite direction. Bearish pressure would likely return on weaker than expected data. Before shorting, confirm that the MACD is below the zero mark and just beginning to decline from it. You could also consider selling the pound after two consecutive price tests of 1.3349, when the MACD is in an overbought zone. This would suggest limited upside momentum and a potential reversal downward. Expected targets in this case are 1.3327 and 3292. That's all for today. See you online soon.